my very respected parents, honorable teachers, sweet little champs. Assalamu alaikum. I hope so. All of you are fine, here and hearty. Yes. Are you enjoying your vacations? And side by side, are you taking the benefits of all these videos? Doing your readings and learnings in a proper way? Kindly, my very dear sweet kids, take maximum benefit of all these videos and learn the lectures with proper process. Listen the lecture in a proper process and learn the things from the lectures. Okay? Today we will again study Rockmark English Students Book 1. Yes, on Book 1 today we will do page number 21. Page number 21 is the page on which we will learn the pronunciations, everyday English and some extra reading. Very interesting activities are on this page. First of all, we will do the role play of everyday English. What is everyday English? You people have done several times the activities of this role play. Do you remember that in your summer vacation task, English language step 2 is also based upon this very topic of Rockmark book. So read and role play is an activity which we will do in everyday English. In everyday English, one dialogue is already given to you with a situation. You can see this picture also. You will try to understand the situation of this picture. You will do the practice of this role play and then you will perform this role play with any of your siblings, parents, friends or neighbors, whoever you can utilize with you. And one more time, you will just go through the English language step 2 video number 3, lecture number 3. In lecture number 3 I have explained comprehensively the whole process of this read and role play. And in lecture number 3 of English language you can also find the practical practice of those students for this role play. So go through from that lecture, do the practice of this role play. One time I will do the proper reading of this dialogue just for my sweet students of class 1. Okay. This is the dialogue between a woman and a man and they are on a vehicle, that is a red car. Let's see what they are talking. You know, you should not drive so fast. Oh, woman is afraid. You can see in the picture also that the man is showing the teeth and laughing. Rather the woman is a bit afraid and she is sighing. You know, you should not drive so fast. ओह तुम्हें पता है कि तुम्हें इतना फास्ट ड्राइव नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड व्हाट इज द मैन सेइंग? मैन, ओह मैन इज सेइंग, ओह क्या हो गया, क्यों नहीं करूँ, इट्स ओके, ही इज जस्ट केयरलेसली बिहेविंग. वुमेन, यस इफ यू ड्राइव टू फास्ट यू माइट हैव एन एक्सीडेंट. अगर तुम इतना तेज चलाओगे तो कोई एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए. मैन, यू आर प्रोबेबली राइट. अच्छा चलो ठीक है, तुम्हारी बात मान लेता हूँ, शायद तुम सही कह रही हो. Understand? So you have to do the practice of these dialogues. The next topic is the pronunciations. Okay, and today for the pronunciations we will learn a very interesting sound and that is the sh sound. Yes, sh sound. Sh sh sh. Okay, sh sound we used to give by the digraphs. Sh is basically the sound of a digraph. And what is the digraph? Digraph is the blend of two letters. When two letters join together and they used to give one sound that is called the digraph. For example, together. Together give the sound of sh. Okay? जब S और H मिलते हैं तो ना S S रहता है ना H H रहता है. They together give the sound of sh. Together they give the sound of sh. Together give the sound of sh. Okay? So today we are going to do which sound? Sh sound. Which sound? Sh sound. Which sound? Sh sound. Okay? Attentive? Now you have to learn that what is the phonetic symbol of sh sound. The phonetic symbol of sh sound is the long S with slash lines. पहले भी मैंने अपने 1 क्लास के प्यारे बच्चों को बताया था जब हमने पिछले लेसन्स के फोनेटिक सिंबल्स किए थे. पिछले लेसन्स में भी तो हमने प्रोनाउंसिएशन की थी ना, ये आवाज़ें पढ़ी थी और आवाज़ों के जो अलामतें हैं वो याद की थी. तो हर अलामत के इर्द गिर्द स्लैश लाइन्स होती हैं. स्लैश लाइन्स के अंदर फोनेटिक सिंबल्स लिखे जाते हैं. अगर आप डिक्शनरी खोलेंगे तो डिक्शनरी में भी जब वर्ड होता है ना तो वर्ड के आगे जो उसके सिंबल होते हैं वो स्लैश लाइन्स में होते हैं. हमेशा ये बात आपने याद रखनी है. ओके। और इन सिंबल्स को आपने पढ़ना सीखना है। अभी तो क्लास 1 के छोटे छोटे प्यारे बच्चे हैं ना, तो क्लास 1 में अभी आप कुछ सिंबल्स याद करेंगे, फिर जब क्लास 2 में आप जाएंगे तो कुछ और सिंबल्स याद करने के साथ आप डिक्शनरी में से प्रोनाउंसिएशंस पढ़ने के काबिल हो जाएंगे। ये एक बहुत ही अहम सवाल है और आप सबको इसको बहुत ध्यान से याद करना ज़रूरी है, ओके। It is really very essential to do the proper pronunciation and the proper learnings of English, okay. To develop English language, the pronunciations are important element. So today we are doing the which sound? Sh sound. And what is the symbol of sh? A long s type and slash lines you can see over here on the screen. Sh sound, okay. Phonics, sh as in ship, sh as in ship, okay. Sh as in ship. शिप के शुरू में आवाज आ रही है ना, सो अंडरलाइन एसएच को और वो श साउंड हो जाएगी। नो फ्यू एग्जांपल्स दे हैव गिवन। एज इन शर्ट, एज इन शू, एज इन शेल, एज इन शार्क। गॉट इट? The next words also you have to read aloud. You have to do its reading. Okay, my dear students, do its reading with me. Shape, shine, sheer, should, she, shoulder, short. Understand? सब वर्ड्स के शुरू में कौन सी आवाज आ रही थी? Got it? Now quickly switch to the next activity, and that is the extra reading. Extra reading is again seems to be about the birthday, because the boy whom we can see in this picture is with a yellow shirt, red cap, and he's holding balloons. It means कि इसकी भी कोई बर्थडे की बात है यहाँ पर। Let's start it. Hi, I'm Mike Harrison. What is the name of this boy? Mike Harrison. Hi, I'm Mike Harrison. My birthday is on March 14th. Mike Harrison की बर्थडे कब है? My birthday is on March 14th. I'll invite my fast friends. My dad will bring a birthday cake. My mother will cook a tasty meal. I will blow out 7 candles. It means कि माइक भी 7 साल का हो रहा है। वाओ, माइक अपनी बर्थडे प्लान कर रहा है और वो बता रहा है हमें कि उसकी बर्थडे कब है और उसकी बर्थडे पे किस तरह से सेलिब्रेशन होगी, ओके। नाउ लुक एट द लास्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? व्हेन इज हैरिसन्स बर्थडे? हैरिसन की बर्थडे कब है? बताएं जरा मुझे। हैरिसन ने अभी हमें बताया ना। हैरिसन टोल्ड अस माय बर्थडे इज ऑन मार्च 14th. So when is Harrison's birthday? March 14th. We will answer like this, that Harrison's birthday is on March 14th. Okay? Understand? In this way we have completed our page number 21. My very sweet little champs, my brave students, you have to do the practice of this whole page comprehensively time and again. You have to learn these dialogues. You have to learn the sh sound. You have to do the extra reading time and again to take much interest, and you should be able to tell the same things by yourself. आपको भी इस काबिल होना चाहिए कि आप ये वाली चीज़ें खुद से बोल सको, अपनी बर्थडे प्लान करो और अपने फ्रेंड्स को बता सको कि हाय, आई एम अली, आई एम गोना प्लान माय बर्थडे इज ऑन 14th अगस्त और वट एवर, ओके। सो आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए अच्छी और फिर हम काम करेंगे नेक्स्ट पेजेस के ऊपर, नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइजेस को लेके, ओके। तब तक आप लोगों ने अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखना है, and you have to work on your Rockmark book. Till then, stay blessed, keep watching. Allah Hafiz.